Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to open an account with Charles Schwab. First, you will select the type of account that best fits your needs. Charles Schwab offers several options, including individual brokerage accounts, joint accounts, and various retirement accounts like Roth or traditional IRAs. They also provide specialized accounts such as custodial accounts for minors or trust accounts. For automated investing, consider Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, which typically require a $5,000 minimum deposit. To proceed with your application, you will need a few key pieces of information and documents. Be ready to provide your Social Security number or tax identification number. A valid government-issued ID, such as your driver's license or passport, is also essential. You might also need proof of residency, like a recent utility bill, and if you are employed, your employer's name and mailing address will be requested. The application process is straightforward and can be completed online in about 15 minutes. Start by visiting the official Charles Schwab website and clicking the Open an Account button. You will then fill out the online application with your personal information, including your address and employment details. Next, you will create your login credentials and set up security questions. Finally, you will verify your identity, often through a code sent to your mobile phone or email address. Once your account is open, the next step is to fund it. The easiest and most common method is an online bank transfer, which typically has no deposit fees. You can also send a check by mail or initiate a wire transfer for larger amounts. If you have investments elsewhere, you can transfer an existing account to Charles Schwab. Many accounts have a $0 minimum deposit, making it accessible for various investors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.